Teresa, here we go. Okay, make sure the tips are cutting 105%. So listen, wipe them clean and dry after every haircut. Miguel's going to give you some oil. Get OCD. Too much is better than not at all. Just use the oil all day long. In other words, wipe them clean and dry, and then just wipe them again with an oily rag. All right, so the action feels like silk, really smooth every time you open and close the shear. All righty, and try please to alternate your shears, and also do not let anyone volunteer your shears when you're not there. This way, if you feel like the tips weren't sharp enough, we're still there. We won't leave until they're perfect.